Really exciting year for us. We're launching a couple of big things. First, new trip edge V-Plow. So we had the XT, the DXT, those are going to continue into the future for us. Now we're adding trip edge V to our truck plow offering. With that trip edge V comes standard with our new LED lighting system, SL4 lights, advancing on top of SL3 technology, and a new electrical system we're calling cold front technology. So it's all really exciting. Cold front SL4 lighting is going to come out this year on XTs, DXTs, Super Duties as well. Our new wiring system, much easier to install. One connector at the bumper, which is generally improved. So coming out with all of that, and coming out with all of that standard on new trip edge V, XT, DXT, Super Duty plows, we think that's critical. As trucks advanced, we've needed to advance our electrical system to keep up with the modern truck industry. And obviously, lights are critical to our industry.